We know the formatting capabilities of printf library function. Let us study the formatting capabilities of cout object. Integer I is equal to 300. Using this statement, I declare a variable I which is of integer type and I assign a value 300 to it. Now this number I want to display as an octal number, for which I use a member function of cout object, namely setf. In the bracket, as an argument, I have supplied ios 2 colons OCT. OCT stands for octal number. So this is a syntax for displaying octal number. I mean, this is a way how we should handle this setf member function of cout object. Okay, place the cursor over here and press F4 key to execute the program up to this step. Press Alt F5. You see 454, this is an octal number which is equivalent to decimal number 300. Is it clear? Now syntax is same, only I have replaced OCT by HEX to denote hexadecimal number. And let us execute the program up to this step. Now we are displaying hexadecimal equivalent of the number 300. Place the cursor at this location and execute the program up to this place by pressing F4 key. See the output by pressing Alt F5 key. 12C, this is the hexadecimal number equivalent to number 300. Similarly, if we want a scientific notation using mantis etc., then this is the way. Before which we will see show base. Let us see what is the meaning of show base. Place the cursor over here, press F4 key and see the output. To display hexadecimal number, we write in the beginning 0x and this is known as base. To display the base, we will use show base, this word. Is it clear? Well, now let us see how to display scientific notation. Press again F4 key and see the output. This is scientific notation for the number 300. Here we have used small e. Now we want capital one. Just use the word uppercase and again see the output. You see, here we got capital E. In scientific notation we got here capital E. Is it clear? Well, now next one. Now we want show position. This means, let us see the effect first and then I'll explain to you. We want plus or minus sign in the beginning. That we can achieve using show position. SHOW-POS. At last, we want three effects simultaneously. That is scientific notation, E should be in uppercase and in the beginning plus or minus sign should be there. How will get this one? Let us see. I use setf function in the bracket ios 2 colons scientific, then this is OR, again I written uppercase over here, then again I use OR and then show position. After that I am displaying this number using cout. Okay, execute up to this one and see the output. So we got the result. Is it clear to you? Understood how to do the formatting using cout object?